how to show a blank page of selected apps in the app switcher on the iPhone 16 series. So you can see here in my app switcher, specifically for the Notes app, it is blank and showing that Face ID is required. This is to protect your privacy so that if you open up the recent apps and there are people surround you, they can see the content of your apps. So here's what you can do. So on your home screen, what you can do is you can touch and hold on an app. So for example, Notes, I'm going to first to turn off don't require Face ID, and then you can touch and hold on the app again. From the menu, you select require Face ID. So let's first open up my app switcher, and you can see here in my notes it shows the content of my notes. So what I'm going to do is I will touch and hold on apps on the notes app, and then select require Face ID, then tap on require Face ID, and then now if I open up my recent apps, and if I scroll across in from my notes app, it shows that Face ID required. So it does not show the content of the content of the app. So next one, maybe we can try it with WhatsApp. So here I will look for WhatsApp and I'll touch and hold. Then I'll tap on require Face ID. Then choose require Face ID. Here, if I open up my app switcher, so here if I scroll across for WhatsApp, you can see now it shows a blank page with a small text message, Face ID required. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.